Hi again, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the new subscribers. And yeah, we're in for another Sunday trading. Let's go and bo liqui. So as you could see, guys, I'm up a little bit again, doing it the same way I did before. I don't sit and moan, but I just took in the pride that I had trying to teach you guys. But I told you that the position sizing logic could be a knife in the back, and actually this is a proof that it was a knife in the back. So Vini Vidi Victus. I came, I saw, and I was conquered. I did not conquer, but I was conquered by the exchange. And the biggest mistake was my emotional thing that led to another loss of 200 above the 200. I just couldn't cope with it. I had not set more. I used the same position sizing because I told you guys I don't go above 20% of the wallet. I did the same trade and I lost it again. It was a stupid an emotional trade this time. So sometimes I make mistakes too. It's only to prove you guys I am not invincible. I am also a human that can make mistakes. So while I was in the Zoom meeting, I saw a little chance still far away. But as you can see, there are lots of licks here, lots of low volume licks here. Although above the 2% there are a little bit, not too much for now. Oh, I have to still not too much for now. Oh, this one 26, but it's at 72, so he is far away right now. But I was thinking these guys are like a magnet, and they're all lined up very nicely. And still with the problems in the world, oil going up, and okay, it's weekend, so we don't actually see what's happening in that market. But still, we have to think about what is happening in the background in the economy. So I am still sure that my trade was a good choice this time, and I want to take it at the top, and I actually kinda did. See, I had here, I think I was here at that point, and I added a little bit more because it was only a 2%er to test it out. Then I added 5%, as you can see here. The bar is still there, to make a little bit more profit instead of the maybe $1. Um, but I am still convinced it will go my way. Although, oh no, it's rising again. This was 4 before, but it came from -8. The open interest is still dropping a bit because it was 1,900,000,000. Now it's only 1,830,000,000. So all these things kept inside. The RSI is bouncing off the 50s. The ATR is not so big, 250, but the ADX is still 33, which is good. We're below the 200 MA, below the 50, below the, I really have to see it. Yeah, we are below the 20 and not below the 9, so that's a little bit concerning. Or and are we? Oh, we are below. Sorry, we're a little bit below it. So The only thing I can hope now is it will go my way. Let's enlarge it a little bit. So yeah, it's not always rainbows and sunshine, guys. Yesterday I performed a few trades, not too much. I can show you a few good trades, of course. Sold. I added a little bit. I closed it, then I bought, and I sold it here, just a little bit. This is where I screwed up. That's my own death sentence. So yeah, everybody can make a mistake. When I started this journey with the Quant app or the MoonDev app now, I said a few things about other people that if you're looking at their PNLs, that they, yeah, no, no data available. Perhaps he is working on it. No, just no data. Nope. Okay, I think he is still working on the app right now. Can happen, guys. Or there is maybe a new wallet. It's always possible. No, he is working on the app because it's keep happening. But yeah, I saw that some of these people just went crazy with their wallets, and I thought I never would be one of them. But yeah, I did get a little bit crazy last time, so the joke is on me for telling the joke about them. So yeah, I'll have to watch my words a little bit more carefully, because I am as good as any person. We all can make mistakes, we all can fail, but it's the way we cope with it. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That was the reason why I kept staying alive in the first place, because this was 350. Um, I was so frustrated I really didn't make a video in between. I started to make the video again when I reached about 400 again, to show you guys also that I really can make mistakes in my thinking pattern, and I am not invincible. The liquidator indicator is telling us a great story. This band is telling me also a great story. It would be pushing them down. It's like a wall of pushers right here. But the only thing we need to do, I'm gonna click that one also. This one is done. This one is done. And I'm still collecting ML. That's almost finished, but I rather have more ML learning to really set my box here, so it will be more correct. I still have to work on a few things that a few bugs. That's why it's a prototype. It will never be available. You have to work it out yourself, guys. This is something you have to do yourself. I built the liquidator indicator, the heat maps. I built everything you need to make your own Quant App live monitor. I can't keep building for everybody. I will build a few things more, but that's more important to me because I was thinking about the BT system, which you can find here. The links are below. Next is BT system. Here you can also find the liquidator indicator. Next is archiver, which holds now more than only crypto. It also has ETFs and USA stock markets. And I was thinking to add to the BT system and to the archiver um, DeFi, DEFI. I really have to look into it a little bit more. And I am thinking maybe DEX as well, because I see a lot of questions around those things. So it maybe would be nice to add it as well as the next step in evolution of the Nexus BT system and archiver. And it maybe would be good for me to research some other markets and perhaps find a gem too, because I'm also uh, competing in the moondev.com arena. For now, I'm at now place number one, but I'm hunted by Dix DXXXY. But it's a nice way. You can win a little bit of money. Actually, Moondev credits. Please read the docs, how it works. It's a kind of a BT system to predict the next hourly candle, if you can set it up. So I will put these descriptions in the below in the video description as well. So yeah, see what I mean? I think I made a good decision this time. Minus 20. Yeah, it is spiking down. For now, I don't have the other tracker activated. Um, I forgot before the video, I was just looking at Hyperliquid alone right now, not with my personal indicator, because it's not fair to you guys to show you something you can't get for free. So I have to teach you guys or show you guys, because some of you are way smarter than me, how I do it without the indicator and only rely on the indicators that are free to use. Still have a little bit problem at startup with the mem map here, if you can see it. It's always the fourth candle from the right, but it stabilizes after a few moments, maybe a half an hour, then it will be normal again. So I still have to figure that out, but with school and everything, the tasks we have to do, and yeah, everybody has a private life behind this trading life, so yeah. But as you can see, guys, it's rather going my way. I would say, you know, I like to ensure my profits. It's at 12 right now, so I would say gain 50 for now and 48 like it's set on the Quant App. Those are my fixed values on the Quant App. You do not need to copy, because if you're, for instance, a scalper, then you're nothing with these settings. And now I could say I want to ensure my profit here, although I'm thinking it will go lower. 68,112, 68,112, this is from before. 68,112, it's a little bit below, so it has to break out of the Bollinger Band. 112, oh, 118 maybe. Yeah, well, 114, 116, what did he say? Well, it's almost there. I think it will revert around here, because it's Sunday, guys. We can't be sure on Sunday. These days are a little bit harder to trade right now. The MACD is telling me the story. It will go down, but this line is going up a bit. Could it be a bearish cross? I don't know. I can't predict all things, of course. I can only read my indicator, who's saying will go down. The band here saying pushing down. If it goes above this line, it's break. and we almost did break it already. So with this candle here, this was the break line, so we have to watch out. What did the volume say? See, it's rising a bit again. It was a sudden spike down, followed by a little open interest down. As long as this keeps stable, I'm good. But if that goes not my way, it's not good. Funding is minus 0.002. That's not possible, so I have to see. This is also a little flaw in the system. No. It's because it's more than one exchange. I'm sorry. Resistance would be at 68,723. 68,723. So resistance would be around here, like I told you, the break line. So that's my trading for today, guys. I'm afraid I will close this one up. I'm happy. It's another few dollars in the bank, and then I will work some more on my BT system. Not with new additions, but I am working on the arena, like I told you, and then I need to submit new ones, and I can't concentrate on doing everything all together. But it would be nice, of course, if I had some more. So if I actually set this one, if I still can, because if it closes right now, yeah, it's no use I putting it there. But let's see what it says. If I would make it, I would make an $11 profit instead of the few dollars, but I'm afraid I told you guys it will revert. This is lowering, this is rising again. So they're adding again. So we're in for a stop. Oh no, see, my words are not even cold and they are proving me wrong, but still could go up again. Funny how this works in the trading world, guys. Going up, going down, going up, going down. You can almost make a song out of it. So I hope in the last few minutes, yeah, okay, the trade is in. And the thing I'm thinking is it will not reach this, because you can't always be sure that it will reach. But the way I see it right now with the indicator, there are lots of gaps coming in between, so positions are being closed. This is what is happening right now, what we are seeing. It's going up, going down, going up, going down, because everybody's trying to close a position to ensure their profits probably, or to not lose more. And that's the way it works, guys. But I am pretty convinced it will revert right now. Let's reset the chart view for a moment. Here we're going up, and see this one is going up also. Let's see the 2 hourly charts. It's going up. So I actually made a little scalp move, as you could say. And here we are above the volatility index, which leads me to believe we're still going up. Here we have to still go on top of it. Here also we still have to go on top of it. Here we almost are. These two are the most I use, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Here we are above it. So I think even though this was a bigger number here before, it doesn't matter sometimes. It's to see what the market sentiment is. And the way I see it in open interests, the funding is rising, the open interest is rising, so people are buying or closing their trades off, which leads into a rise. See what I mean? So that's for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you the next in the next video. Sorry.